In this video, I will guide you on how to change the lock screen clock on Android. First, launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down and find the option of lock screen and AOD. Select that. Now here scroll down and find the option of edit lock screen. Tap on that. To access this, you can simply wake up your phone to display the lock setting, press and hold on any empty space on the lock screen, and unlock your phone if prompted. Once you get here, you want to tap on the clock icon. Now, the first option is font and color. From here, you can select your preferred font. Now, if you want to choose a different color, go ahead and select a different color from here. Next, if you want to change the style, tap on the style option. Now, you can choose between digital layout, analog, clock faces, or text cloud. You can also select this calendar option right here. Once you're happy with the changes, you want to tap on the done option at the top of your screen. And in this way, you can easily change the lock screen clock on Android. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.